Hello students, in previous session we studied how to construct a quadrilateral when four sides and one diagonal is given. Now let us continue our chapter Practical Geometry. Today we are going to study how to construct a quadrilateral when two diagonals and three sides are given. In exercise 4.2, all the questions are related to the same concept when two diagonals and three sides are given. Let us take first question of exercise 4.2. Construct the quadrilateral LIFT in which LI is equals to 4 cm, IF is equals to 3 cm, TL is equals to 2.5 cm, LF is equals to 4.5 cm and IT is equals to 4 cm. Now start our construction. Here I wrote all the measurement first and to construct a quadrilateral LIFT. Here three sides LI, IF and TL are given and two diagonal LF and IT is given. Now let us take any of them aside. So you can take LI, IF and TL. Choice is yours. Here I am going to take first LI. So with the help of ruler draw LI is equals to 4 cm. Now here we have two vertex L and I. Related to these vertex we draw arcs. IF is equals to 3 cm. So adjust the gap between compass needle and pencil is equals to 3 cm. Now draw an arc of radius 3 cm from center I. So on this arc we can get our point F. Now draw LF by taking radius 4.5 and L as a center. Now draw an arc of radius 4.5. This arc intersect your previous arc at point F. Join FI and LF. Now here TL and IT is remaining. TL is equals to 2.5 cm and IT is equals to 4 cm. In both T is unknown. So from L draw an arc of radius 2.5 cm taking L as a center and draw an arc of radius 4 cm I as a center, taking I as a center. Here I draw an arc of radius 2.5 taking L as center. Now we are going to draw an arc of radius 4 cm taking I as a center. Now join LT, TF and TI. So in this way you can get your required quadrilateral. And along with the construction you have to write steps of construction.